want to get off their darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Tech Torrent. In this video I will be unboxing the black variant of Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's remove the top cover first. You just have to pull it away. And here is a free gift from MI, that is a back cover for this Redmi Note 5 Pro. And here it is. Here is the black variant of Redmi Note 5 Pro. Undoubtedly, this color is the better among all other variants of Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's check. These two papers are here, some instructions and some warranty papers. And just like all other devices, there is a USB charger and a USB cable. Of course, this is not a fast charger or anything special type of. It is just a similar charger for Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now let's see more details about the phone. This Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a dual cam on the back and a 20 megapixel front cam. As you can see, the dual cam fitting is very beautiful in this black color, because the color of the dual cam is also black and they sync each other very nicely. Let's remove this IMEI code sticker first. Now let's remove the temporary protection from the glass too. As you can see, this is provided for temporary protection from the company itself, and you can simply remove this by just doing like this. You can now see that the 16 display of this Redmi Note 5 Pro looks very nice, and it gives a premium look to that phone. And in my opinion, this is the main advantage of this Redmi Note 5 Pro. It is almost bezel-less and it looks very nice too. Now let's turn on the phone. Just like all other MI phones, this phone also showing the MI logo first, and the booting time is almost similar to Redmi Note 4. The Android is turning on. This Redmi Note 5 Pro is also running with MIUI 9. Now there is an option for selecting the region and language, and some settings procedures are there. I'm just skipping these parts. Setting procedure is almost completed, and it takes some time to load the apps. Yeah, finally the device is turned on. First of all, let's go into the settings menu and into the about section. When we look into the about section, we can see that this device is running on the latest version of MIUI 9, and it is also running on Android Nougat, and still it is not available with Android Oreo or anything else. It is running on Android 7.0. As it is the latest version of MIUI 9, almost all features from the Redmi Note 4 is completely transferred into this Redmi Note 5 Pro, so that you will never miss anything from the Redmi Note 4. The status bar and notifications bar almost look similar to Redmi Note 4. Now let's move on to the camera app. As you can see, it is a usual camera app for all Redmi phones, and this phone comes with a dual cam on the back side, so it captures some portrait photos also. In my first impression, this device gave me very pretty good images, and I would like to do more about this phone. If you are interested in watching more videos like this, please hit the like button.